So what sets NingXia Red apart from other antioxidants is the wolfberry. So we hear everyone talking about blueberries, kale, and other superfoods because they contain antioxidants, but I'll tell you, these foods have nothing on the wolfberry. So NingXia Red is loaded to the hilt with antioxidants properties. It is the absolute best supplement that supports the body's natural detoxification process. So some people ask, are wolfberry the same as the goji berry? So in short answer, yes, but there are different species. And so that's really important. There are two species of wolfberries. You've got Lycium barbuum, which is the wolfberry, and Lycium chinese, which is the goji berry. So our wolfberry comes from the Ningxia province in northern China, where it's been revered for over 2,000 years. So Gary Young first learned about this powerful nutritional profile of the berries and thus named it NingXia Red. This is what I love to learn. These are the things. People in the Ningxia province of that in China live abnormally long, as in 120 years.